Hello again, it's Mr. Williams here once more, and I'm here to do another online maths lesson with you. And we're going to be working a little bit more on place value today. And of course, as always, we need our friends to help us. So we've got Suki, Sunny, Wilf and Poppy here to help us. Let's start off by getting our maths brains warmed up, and we're going to play Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? Okay, we're going to see some different questions here, and you have got to choose the right answer. Okay, here's our first question. What number is shown here? Is it 32, 30, 5, or 23? Okay, well, there are 2 bundles of 10 and 3 ones, which means the answer is 23. Well done if you had that one correct. Next question. Which number is shown here? Is it 6, 42, 24, or 26? Try and work it out. Okay, the correct answer was 24, and it was a little bit of a tricky question because the ones were first before the tens. If we move them around, there we go, there's our 2 tens and our 4 ones, which makes 24. Okay, next question. What number is shown here? Is it 13, 31, 26, or 16? Okay, we have got our tens frames. 3 of them are full, so there's 10 on 3 of them, and there's 1 on another, so the correct answer is 31. Well done if you had that one right. Our final question. What is the mystery number? Is it 15, 105, 50, or 150? And the mystery number was 15. Well done if you had that one right. 10 and 5 make 15. Well, I hope your maths brains are warmed up now. So here's our friend Suki to tell us all of the things that we need to get together for this session. So these are the things that you will need for this session. You will need the sticks and stones which you got together for our last session. You will also need a place value mat. You can make a place value mat really easily using a piece of paper which you turn landscape way round. Draw a line down the middle, 1 across the top, write 10s on the left and 1s on the right, and that is your place value mat. And finally, you will also need a pencil and paper or a whiteboard and pen. Pause the video here whilst you get together all of the things that you will need for this session. In our last session, we collected together some sticks and stones which we use as our own base 10 equipment or Dean's equipment. The sticks representing 10s and the stones representing 1s. And we're just going to have a quick recap of how we can use those to make some numbers. So our friend Poppy is saying, can you make my number? And her number is 54. So in 54 we have got 5 tens. So using our sticks we would need 5 of the sticks, each stick representing 10. And 54 has got 4 ones, so we would need 4 of the stones, each stone representing 1. and that is 54. 50 and 4 make 54. Okay, Poppy's next question, can you make the number 77? So there are 7 tens and 7 ones in 77. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sticks, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stones, 7 tens, which is 70, and 7 ones, which is 7. That's 77. So I'm going to begin to use my place value mat now, and I'm going to show how to make the number 25 using my sticks and stones and my tens and ones place value mat. So the number 25 has 2 tens. So I'm going to put 2 tens here, and it has 5 ones. So I need 5 ones or 5 stones, which I'm going to put on the ones side of my place value mat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can see how we've split our 2-digit number into tens and ones. Now we can also show this on a part-whole diagram, which is 3 circles. The 2 bottom circles are both joined to the top circle because the 2 bottom circles contain numbers which together make the number in the top circle. So the number that we were making, our whole number, was 25, and the 2 parts of this, our tens part, that was 20, and our ones part was 5. 20 and 5 make 25. We have partitioned 25 into 20 and 5, into tens and ones. I could also show this as a calculation, as a number sentence. So we had 20 and 5, and altogether that makes 25. Okay, let's try this for another number. Okay, the next number that I am going to make is 43. 43. So 43 has 4 tens. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, and 43 has 3 ones. So I'm going to need 1, 2, 3 ones. Now if I show this on my part-whole diagram, this is how we draw, remember, a circle at the top, and then we join the 2 circles at the bottom to the top circle. The top circle is where our whole number goes, and our 2 parts go in the bottom circles. So our whole number was 43, and we partitioned that, we split it into 40 and into 3. 40 and 3 are our 2 parts. And our number sentence for this, or our calculation for this, is 40, add 3, and altogether that makes 43. Now then, I would like you to use your place value mats and your sticks and stones for your tens and ones to make some numbers. And once you've made the numbers, I would then like you to draw it out on a part-whole diagram, so splitting your number into the tens and ones, and then to write out the calculation, the number sentence, to show how the tens and the ones add together to make the total, to make the whole. So here's our friend Poppy, and she's asking if you can show these numbers. So there are 5 numbers there for you to make using your place value mats with your sticks and stones, your base 10 equipment, and then write it out as a part-whole, and then write out the number sentence, the calculation. So pause the video here, have a go at making all of those numbers, and then come back once you've done it. Good luck. Okay, welcome back everybody. How do you get on? Okay, let's just go through your answers. So to make 13, that is 1 10 and 3 ones. So that's what it looks like on our place value mat. On our part-whole diagram, we have 13 at the top and that's partitioned, that's split into 10 and 3. And our number sentence is 10 add 3 equals 13. 31, well, it's the same numbers, just the other way around. So now we've got 3 in the 10s and 1 in the 1s. So 31 is partitioned, is split into two parts, 30 and 1. 30 and 1 equals 31. Number 7 hasn't got any 10s, so we just need 7 1s on our place value chart. And on our part whole diagram, I've put a 0 there in where our 10s would be to show that we haven't got any 10s. Our calculation, 0 add 7 equals 7. 40 hasn't got any 1s, so it's just got 4 10s. So our calculation for that is 40 add 0 equals 40. And then if we've made 40, making 45 should be easy because we just need to put 5 1s onto our place value chart. So 40 and 5 are our 2 parts on our part whole diagram, and 40 and 5 equals 45 is our calculation. Well done if you got those ones correct. So our friends Suki, Wilf, Sunny and Poppy have now got some challenges for you to solve. So there's 4 challenges. You could just pick one. If you're feeling really super, try and do them all. You've got to make the numbers that they are challenging you to make. So here are our 4 challenges. Suki's challenge is to make a number with the same number of 10s as 1s. Poppy's challenge is to make a number greater than 30. And Will's challenge is to make a number between 40 and 50. And Sunny's challenge is to make a number less than 55 but more than 45. And in each case, make the number using your place value mat, draw it out on your part whole diagram and write the calculation. So I am going to have a go at Suki's challenge to make a number with the same number of 10s as 1s. So I think I'm going to choose 3 10s to put on my place value mat. And that means I'm also going to need 3 1s. So I've got 3 10s, 3 1s, which is 33. And I'm going to show this on my part whole. So my number is 33. And I've made that with 3 10s, which is 30 and 3 1s. And now I'm going to write that out as a calculation. So that is 30 add 3 equals 33. Okay then, so it's your turn to pick a challenge. You could pick all of the challenges, and for each challenge you've got to make a number, or you could make several numbers. So pause the video, have a go at the challenges. Each time you make a number, show a grown-up or somebody at home. Good luck. Well done on completing the challenges. Now today we've started to get even better at our place value and recognising each digit, each number in a 2-digit number, breaking numbers into 10s and 1s. And now we're going to put together what we've learned to see if we can solve a problem together. So here's our problem. Suki is saying here are 4 pictures of a number, of one number. So each picture is showing the same number. But Wilf is saying that he thinks there is a problem. So you've got to pause the video here, look at the pictures and work out what the problem is. Good luck. Okay, welcome back. How did you get on? Did you find the problem? Let's go through each picture one by one. So in the first picture, we have got 5 10s and 4 1s using our Dean's cubes. So that shows 54. And beneath it, we've got our sticks and stones showing the same thing. 5 10s and 4 1s, 54. And I can see here written in words is the number 54. And above that, on our part whole diagram, well, here's the number 54, but oh, I can see what the problem is. 54 has been split up into 4 1s and 5 10s, but the problem is 5 10s is not 5, it's 50. because 50 and 4 is 54. 5 plus 4 is 9. Well done if you spotted that problem. Well done on your brilliant work today. Today we have been making two-digit numbers using our place value maps, using our part whole diagram to show how they are partitioned into tens and ones, and we have written them as equations or number sentences. Next time we're going to be using our place value knowledge to solve some missing number mysteries. I look forward to seeing you in the next session. Goodbye.